Why your dog sneezes during play. It's not what you think. Ever seen your dog sneeze while playing and thought, uh-oh, is he mad? Relax. That sneeze isn't a threat. It's actually called a play sneeze, and it's totally normal dog behavior. Dogs use sneezes during roughhousing to signal they're just playing, not being aggressive. Think of it as your pup saying, I'm having fun, no need to be scared. It's one of many calming signals dogs use to keep playtime safe and friendly, kind of like a smile for humans. So next time your pup or dog sneezes when approaching you or mid-play, don't worry. He's not about to bite. He's just having a great time. Like, share, and subscribe for more.